Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tech Guru. Right here in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can update your Android apps with Xender, guys. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, all you have to do is just subscribe to this YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. So first of all, we're going to head to Xender, connect my Xender to my second phone, and I will show you guys how you can update Android apps with Xender, guys. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, subscribe and watch the video carefully to the end, guys. So guys, you can see right here, this is the second device down here and my main phone I'm using right here. So for you to update your apps with Xender is so easy. All you have to do, make sure the second device you are connecting, like your second device, have updated app, like the one you want to update. Like take for instance, I want the Facebook on my mobile device right now is out of date. So for me to update it, I will make sure the second device I'm connecting with, the Facebook is up to date. So all you have to do, just connect the Xender and you just select the Facebook right there. You click on send. You understand? So you just send. So once you send it, it will be sent to my phone device right there. So clicking right there, you can see that the Facebook is entering successfully. So you wait for it to end, to be received successfully. After it's done, you can just click on update right here and the app will be updated successfully, guys. So that is how simple you can update your Android apps with Xender. So you can see once it's entered successfully, you can see update. The reason why you're seeing this update is because my own Facebook here on this device is out of date. So you just click on update right there. So once you click on update, you can see it's showing update. You just click update. You can see it's installing real quick. So you can see I've successfully updated my Facebook app here with my Xender, guys. So that is how simple it works. It's so simple and straightforward. So we'll just go back right now. So I will as well update my Xender. I will click right there and click on send. You can see send. So you can see it's sending right here as well. My Xender as well is out of date. So that is how simple you do that. So you can see that I'll click on update as well. And it will be updated successfully, guys. So that is how to update your Android apps with your Xender. Just connect with a second device. Once you have done that, click on the app you want to update and send to your device and it will be updated successfully. It's so simple and straightforward. Just make sure the second device you are connecting with, the app is up to date and you are good to go, guys. So thank you all guys for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys.